Hello, and I'm here in Vienna for the European Microsoft Fabric Community Conference 2025. This conference goes over 4 days. The first day is an all-day session, so you can really go in depth into a particular topic, whether it is administration or SQL database in Fabric, for instance. On Tuesday and Wednesday, there are then keynotes, followed by a series of seminars, roughly around 50 minutes each, looking at different aspects of Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, or SQL in Fabric. And there's plenty of PDF handouts, so you can circulate them to the rest of your team. Now, if you can't make it here in Vienna for this conference, then there are other conferences. For example, there's the Power Platform Conference in Las Vegas at the end of October, and there's SQL Bits in Wales in the middle of April. So why not have a look at the various conferences which are available near you and see which you might be interested in? You can then meet with a lot of your colleagues, exchange ideas, and maybe even some business contacts. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thanks for watching and keep learning.